Good morning, YouTube, Facebook. This is a great day. This is Daryl Worthy with Excellence Janitorial Services and Carpet Cleaning. We've already started this job. We're on the second floor at an apartment complex, and we got everything set up. We've cleaned part of this room. The carpet is coming out great. This room has been cleaned, drying up. Carpet looks nice. I always like to leave it with no footprints in the carpet. That's kind of part of my signature on the carpet. After it has been cleaned, it is looking great. No stains. Everything came out great. And we're over here on this room about halfway finished. Few little stains there, we'll treat those. Probably little food drops, some type of organic stain. They'll come right out. Put a little foot action to it. No big deal. All right. Let's stir it back a little bit so I can get behind there. I'll just come around like this. I always like leaving certain patterns in the carpet that would like catch the eye of the tenant or the new people that's going to be moving in. Kind of like put a little design in the carpet, leaving a pattern. Nice. See that pattern? I kind of made it look like I want to say like a flowery pattern, and I'll do the next row the same. Kind of put a little design on it. See how I did that? The first row has a little pattern, then the second row coming back I put another pattern on it. This kind of makes your work stand out and look very professional. So this is Daryl Worthy with Excellence Janitorial Services and Carpet Cleaning. We want to say thank you for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.